Oh no. Not now.
Your umbrella broke.
The wind turned it inside out.
That happens with cheap umbrellas.
I just bought it yesterday.
Here, stand under this shop roof.
Thank you. I'm getting soaked.
The rain is very strong today.
Do you think it will stop soon?
Maybe in 10 minutes.
I can't wait 10 minutes. I have a meeting.
Take my umbrella. I'm going inside anyway.
Are you sure?
Yes, please. Take it.
Thank you so much. You saved me.
Good luck at your meeting.
Excuse me, I ordered a small coffee.
This is a small coffee.
But it's cold.
Oh, sorry, that's the wrong cup.
No problem, mistakes happen.
Let me make a new one, hot this time.
Thank you. Can I also change the sugar?
Of course, how much sugar?
Just 1 spoon, please.
1 spoon, got it. Here you go.
This smells much better.
Try it now.
Perfect. Thank you for fixing it.
Sorry again for the mix-up.
It's okay, really.
No.
Is everything okay?
I locked my keys inside the car.
Oh, that's not good.
I can see them on the seat.
Do you have a spare key?
Yes, but it's at home.
That's far?
20 minutes by bus.
You could call a locksmith.
Is that expensive?
Not too expensive, and it's fast.
Do you know a good one?
Yes, I have a number. Here.
Thank you. I'll call right now.
Good luck. I hope it's quick.
Come on, work please.
Problem with the elevator?
It won't move, the doors won't open.
Let me check the panel.
Is it broken?
No, just press this button first.
This one?
Yes, then choose your floor.
Floor 5, like this?
Perfect. Now it's working.
Thank you, I almost took the stairs.
5 floors is a lot of stairs.
Exactly. My legs thank you too.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you again.
Excuse me, is this bill correct?
Let me check. What's wrong?
I only ordered 1 drink.
The bill shows 2 drinks.
That's the mistake.
I'm sorry, let me fix it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Here's the correct bill, 1 drink only.
This looks right now.
Sorry for the confusion.
It's okay, thank you for checking.
Would you like anything else?
No, just the check, please.
Coming right up.
Thank you for your help today.
I can't find my library card.
Do you remember your name in the system?
Yes, Anna Cole.
Let me search. Found you.
Great, can I borrow this book?
Yes, but you have late fees.
Late fees? I returned everything.
This book was returned 2 days late.
Oh, I forgot the date.
It's a small fee, $1.
That's not bad, I'll pay now.
Here's your receipt and your new book.
Thank you, I'll return it on time.
I'll remind you next week.
Please do, I need it.
Wait, this doesn't look right.
Where are you going?
Downtown, near the station.
This bus goes the other direction.
Oh no, I got on the wrong one.
Get off at the next stop.
Then what do I do?
Cross the street, take bus number 9.
Bus number 9. Got it.
It comes every 10 minutes.
Thank you. I was so confused.
Easy mistake, the numbers look similar.
They really do.
Good luck getting downtown.
Thank you. I'll be more careful.
Excuse me, the zipper is stuck.
Let me see. Ah, it's twisted.
Can you fix it?
Yes, one moment. There, try now.
It works. Thank you.
Sometimes new zippers do that.
I was worried I broke it.
No, not at all.
Can I buy this jacket?
Of course, follow me to the counter.
Thank you for fixing it first.
Always happy to help.
This made my day easier.
Glad I could help.
So, who had the worst day?
Me, I think. My umbrella broke in the rain.
That's bad, but listen to mine. I got a cold coffee first.
That's small. I also locked my keys in the car.
Locked in the car? That's serious.
A stranger helped me find a locksmith.
People were kind to me too. A worker fixed the elevator.
And a waiter fixed my bill. I paid for 1 drink instead of 2.
I paid a late fee at the library. Only $1, though.
I also got on the wrong bus.
The wrong bus? How?
The numbers looked the same.
My zipper got stuck at the store, but they fixed it fast.
So many small problems today.
But so many kind people too.
Strangers, workers, waiters, clerks.
All helping without being asked.
Maybe today wasn't so bad after all.
Tomorrow, let's just stay home.
Agreed. No umbrellas, no buses, no zippers.
If a stranger ever helped you, tell us about it in the comments below.